Area of triangles builds on your understanding of area of rectangles. If you haven't done area of squares and rectangles yet, make sure you've done those first. In areas of triangles, you need to think about every triangle as being half of a rectangle. In this case, we've got a long side of 10 and a short side of 6, and then we would have up here, if we imagined it as a rectangle on its side, another side of 10 and another side of 6, turning it into a rectangle. Okay? And if we had that rectangle of 10 by 6, we would just do 10 times 6 to work out the area. 10 times 6 is 60. So if this was a rectangle, we'd do 10 times 6 and get 60 as our area. But, as I've just pointed out, every triangle is half of the rectangle that it would fold into. Okay? So in this case, we've got to halve our answer. So if the area of this rectangle is 60, the area of the triangle is half of that. It's 30. So the formula for working out a triangle is half of the rectangle, half of the rectangular area. This one, to work out the rectangle, we would do 7 times 2, which is 14. And so if it's a triangle, it's half of 14, which is 7. Okay, very easy. This one is 9 by 9. It's a square. Imagine a square piece of paper. 9 by 9. 9 by 9 is 81, because 9 times 9 is 81. But we've got half of that, okay, because it's half of that. Half of 81 is 40.5. Okay, that's all there is to it. So you can use, this one made a little bit trickier. It's giving you 3 measurements. Make sure you're looking at where the rectangle would be. So the rectangle is going to be this side and this side, isn't it? Okay, that's a rectangle. So if it was 24 and 10 and 24 and 10, it's not 26 and 10 and 26 and 10. That's not going to work. Okay, so it's 24 and 10. It's the side and the base, known as base and heights. This is the base of the triangle. This is the heights. It's base times height and half of that. Okay, so it's 10 times 24. 10 times 24 is 240, and then halve it to get 120. Okay, half base times height.